Now this is cool. 767 square meters of land in the heart of Gainsborough Greens, a secondary driveway, side access, and so much more. Check it out.
The sellers of this home have put blood, sweat, tears, and most importantly, love into the design of this. Come inside and check it out.
Taking full advantage of the land on offer, the sellers put an expansive layout with separation between the master bedroom, remaining bedrooms, and quality fittings like the 40mm stone you see right here. There's still so much more to see though. Keep going.
This beautiful home has 2 outdoor areas, one with an electric blind, enough room for a caravan or a boat. The pool's out the back, go check it out.
Well, this is just the icing on the cake. A pool to top off an absolutely amazing home on a sensational block. We're now for sale and can't wait to show you through. We'll see you then.